Treat my temper like my family, I ain't tryna lose it. Say a little, do a lot. Woo! No excuses, ay. I got no excuses. Yeah, I got no excuses. Woo! I got no excuses.
Got him. And I slid it. Oh. Works another day, boys. See, might be a keeper. Up right up. $15.5. First keeper of the day, guys. A nice one. Ah, God damn it. Fucking skid jack. Hold on, buddy. Skid jack Rooney. There you go. Catch and release. Missed him right there. Yep. Took my whole damn lure. Jeez. They're hungry. Look at that color. What the hell? Holy, he's fishing. Nice little flatty again. Come on, buddy, you're doing too small. Y'all saw that. I was just getting the lure. Came after it himself. And nice little flatty. Come here back, buddy. He's hungry. Shit. Good buddy. I doubt he's a limit. Oh, there he goes. Ah, motherfucker. Got him. Come on, baby, stay on. Should be a good one. Go, 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 go. Get on the stringer. Oh, another nice one. Hell yeah. Missed him earlier. Kept tossing back. They usually swim back down. Oh yeah, another beautiful flatty. Nice flatty right there, guys. Let's see. 16. Yeah. Yeah, come down. Oop, I didn't break my own rope. You guys love to get your little there you go. Two, baby. Got him. Come on, buddy. Another flatty. Yeah, I'm trying to let you go. Or working me. There you go. Pop right off. Give them a measure for fun. Let's see. About 14 and a half. Don't get bigger, buddy. It's a beautiful fish, man. Got him. Ah, motherfucker, let go. That was a keeper for sure. See, we're able to get him again. Got him. And a little flatty. Hold on, buddy, hold on. It's a little guy. That's a little guy. Hang on. That's a pretty little one. Come on, buddy. It's still in here. Damn, jellyfish is still around here. Something on it? Oh, there's something on it. What's a flatty? Oh, hey, come down. Nice flatty. I hope you're a keeper because I think you swallowed it all. Oh, 15 and a half. Oh, came up. Nice. Another keeper, baby. That makes it. My tank was up, that's it. This guy's still biting on it. 3 flatties, baby. Get you some. Only about an hour and a half. Hydrate, man. These hot days sneak up on you. Make sure y'all stay hydrated out there, anglers. Now that's some high quality H2O. Got him. Oh, he let go. God damn it. That's a nice one. That's just my jerk. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. What is it? Oh yeah. Nice trout. Yes sir. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Nice boy. Nice trout. Corner of the mouth right there. Either there's something feeding there. I kept seeing it pick up and pick up and pick up. Finally caught him. That's why we put them on fish grippers, guys. $19 on the dot, guys. Nice one. Oh yeah, buddy. Got him. Come on, buddy. Little baby. Where did you go? You came up. We're pretty up. Nice trout, guys. Mel, Miguel, measuring at 15. See you later, bud. you go, man. There you go. Nice speck. Give me that bit. There you go. There you go. Got him. Come on, baby, get deeper. Let it out real quick. Another 15. Gotta stay hydrated, guys. Got him. Come on, baby. Give me a little guy. Hey, come down. There you go, buddy. Little hungry fella. Trout. Got him. A little guy. Catch and release, baby. That's a bite. This is hitting him barely, thumping him. There you go, about time. That's it. Watch up. Come on, buddy, come on. I'll let you go. Good boy. It's a nice trout. Nice 15-incher. See you later, buddy. It's a little guy. Yeah. That's a sand trout. Hey, hold on. I'll let you go bigger. 2 trips in a row that I got sand trout. Alrighty, little fella. Well, guys, my camera wasn't recording. It had just died. And then land this beast. Nice. That JRZ, baby. Get you some. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that big fat trout. That JRZ pink lemonade. Get you some. Talk about a big flounder. Woohoo! On that JRZ, baby. Get you some. Just a few fishes. Oh yeah. What's up, guys? I hope y'all like the content today. We killed it, as y'all can see. We had a great day. It's all in there. Hopefully y'all like it. Go ahead and press that like button, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Today was a great day, that's for sure, man. So fish on.
Yeah, they asked me where I learned to do this. Self-taught, checking things off my to-do list. Treat my temper like my family, I ain't tryna lose it. Say a little, do a lot. Woo! No excuse.